Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've tried new makeup products. So in today's video, I would be trying a new, very affordable makeup product with you guys. The product that I'm talking about is by the brand Blue Heaven and it is their liquid eyeliner. So this is the product that I would be sharing with you guys in this video, and this is not the only shade that I would be reviewing for you guys. I actually have all the 4 shades that they have in the collection. Now before going into the swatches and talking about the formulation and all, first let's talk about the price range of these eyeliners. So these liquid eyeliners, as I said, are very affordable, retail for just 55 rupees, and because I bought them during the Nykaa sale, so I grabbed even a better price for these. I guess I paid somewhere around 37 to 40 rupees for each eyeliner, and I have 4 eyeliners with me, so I paid somewhere around 150-160 rupees for all 4 of them. Now this price does seem a bargain to me, but we'll have to see together whether this particular eyeliner works as good as its price range. Now as I said, there are 4 shades in the collection and I do have all 4 of them. I'll just tell you the shades that I have first before showing you the packaging of the product. So these are the 4 colors. First we have a traditional black liquid liner. Then we have a brown liquid liner. Then the other 2 colors are the typical blue and green liquid liners. These 4 colors are a very safe range of liquid eyeliners, I must say. And if you are someone who's looking for an affordable colored eyeliner, then I guess these might be a very good option for you. Now let's open this up and see how these eyeliners actually look like. Now these are liquid eyeliners, they are not pencil or even a felt tip eyeliner. So yes, it would be a very like a typical traditional eyeliner, I would say. This is the outer package of the eyeliner, which is actually color coordinated. I'll just show you 2 colors side by side. So this is the blue eyeliner and this is the green one. The packaging, the outer box is color coordinated, and all the other details about the product is actually mentioned in the back of the packaging. Now if you'll open the eyeliner, this is how the actual bottle of the eyeliner looks like. Again, it is a very affordable range eyeliner, so I did not actually expect a lot from the packaging, but yes, it is a very decent looking packaging. I won't lie, it actually looks like a nail polish packaging, like the L18 के जो nail polishes आते हैं ना छोटू वाले, it just looks like that. It is a glass bottle. It is sturdy, the cap is very smooth, and it doesn't actually feel very cheap. This is how the brush of the eyeliner looks like. It does look decent and very slim. I don't know whether you will be able to see right now or not, but the brush on this particular green eyeliner is not very fine. It does have a little inconsistency, I would say, but I guess it won't matter till the time the consistency of this particular eyeliner is liquidy. So yes, this is how the packaging of the eyeliners look like. Now I would first swatch all the 4 colors in the back of my hand before actually creating an eye look using them. I would be creating a graphic eyeliner look on one of my eyes and would be showing you how these eyeliners look like on the eyes, and once we'll be done with the swatches, I'll be talking about how I feel about these eyeliners. Did they work for me or not, or do I suggest them or not? So first let's get into the hand swatches. Okay, so these are all the 4 colors right here in my hand. I'll just quickly swatch all 4 of them with you guys. Let's start with the black one. This is how the black eyeliner looks like. It actually is pretty black and I love how the way it looks. I honestly didn't try the black one, but I have tried the other 3 colors. So this is how the green color looks like. This is the blue one right here. Now I'm calling them by just the color like green and blue because that is what is written on the box. They do not have a specific name apart from this particular one is called blue and this particular one is called green, and like that's how it goes. So now I have the last one. This is the brown one. The shade actually looks pretty beautiful to me. I haven't tried anything of this sort. Like, look at how beautiful this brown is. I won't actually call it brown. I do not have any brown which looks like this. This is a very soft and a subtle sort of a brown, a very everyday kind of a brown. The browns that I have in my collection are on the deeper side. They look pretty close to black, but this particular brown is different, and I do like the the way how all these four colors look. They are very smooth to apply. They are very pigmented. They're non-streaky. Like I just have applied one single coat and they are completely non-streaky. So now before talking more, let's try and create a graphic eyeliner look using all the four eyeliners. Okay, so now you have seen the swatches of this eyeliner on my hand. You have seen how all four of these look on eyes. Now let's talk about the consistency, the formula and everything else about the product. Talking about the consistency, I am surprisingly happy about how easy are these eyeliners to apply. I am not a very confident eyeliner application person. It takes a lot of time for me to even out both my eyes and to create a wing, but this particular eyeliner, the brush, the wand, I don't know what is it about this eyeliner. Is it the wand or is it like the consistency of the product? It made me so confident about applying this eyeliner. Whenever I have applied this eyeliner, I just go with my complete eye in just a single stroke. Like I just dip my brush in the eyeliner and just go in a single swipe and I am done. I haven't had such ease in application with any other eyeliner that I have tried. Again, I would say I am not a fan of liquid eyeliners. I like felt tip eyeliners more, but I did like how these eyeliners work for me. Staying power of these eyeliners is unfortunately not very good. These are not waterproof and you cannot wear them if you're sweating a lot or if you are out in the rain or something, because these would certainly wash off from your face. Again, coming to the fact that these are liquid eyeliners, they require a lot of time to dry. Like in felt tip eyeliners, or if you are using a gel eyeliner, all you have to do is apply and maybe wait for a couple of seconds, 2 seconds or 3 seconds to let them dry, and then you are good to go. But in the case of these eyeliners, it took me almost a minute or so to get these eyeliners completely dry, and if you don't do that, color easily shifts on to the upper lashes, specifically if you have hooded eyes. So this is sort of time consuming process, I would say. I'm not saying that 1 minute is a lot of time, but waiting a minute for a liquid eyeliner to dry is actually very old school. I remember that I started applying liquid eyeliner when I was in school, and I used to have the Lakme liquid eyeliner. It used to take so much time to get dry and I always used to get it messed up, and that is what the case is this particular eyeliner as well. So yes, that is one thing which I am not very comfortable in using liquid eyeliners for. But if you are a liquid eyeliner person, then this can be a good try for you. Another thing that I would like to mention about these eyeliners is these eyeliners, the formula did not work for me. I started to somehow get irritated after applying these eyeliners. I still applied them for a couple of hours, but when it was like too much, I wasn't able to bear the itching on my eyes. I immediately removed it. So I personally haven't tried them for more than 2 hours. But I would say that it was pretty easy for me to remove these eyeliners. All I did was just to rub my eyes with my finger and the eyeliner was on my hand, which is not exactly a very good thing. So yes, that is all that I have to say about these eyeliners. For me, these eyeliners were like a 3.5 on 5. I would suggest these if you are looking for liquid eyeliners in an affordable range. But if you're looking for something which is very quick and easy, and if you have a sensitive skin just like me, then these eyeliners might not be the best one compatible for you. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked today's video. If you want me to try more such eyeliners or more such affordable products from any brand, then do let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like my videos and would like to watch more such videos on my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.